Hello everyone, this is obstacle avoidance, Bluetooth control and voice controlling vehicle. Here, this is the ultrasonic sensor, and this is a motor shield, and beneath it we have kept Arduino Uno, and through this we have connected the servo motor and wheels. And when we on the device, it will sense the sides, and if any obstacle is there, switch on, the sensor will rotate left and right directions, and it will go where the obstacle is not there. Here left and right obstacle is there, so it will turn only to the, it will go only in the straight direction. This is Arduino IDE, and we are compiling our code here, and after compilation we will upload this code into the Arduino Uno to USB cable. And here this is the servo header and AF motor header. This is the DC motor commands, and here we can change obstacle avoidance, Bluetooth control or voice control whenever we want. Whenever we want obstacle avoidance, we can keep obstacle, and whenever we want Bluetooth control, we can keep Bluetooth control, and whenever we want voice control, we can keep voice control. And this is the function for obstacle avoidance. Here this is for voice control. Here this is for ultrasonic sensors.